So I'm Caseyat. I'm proud to be the site leader of the GE Aviation Hungary repair facility. I've been here for about 18 months, but this site has been here for nearly 20 years, and it has grown from a small 60-person operation supporting predominantly the back shops of our overhaul facilities to now serving over 170 global customers in both honeycomb segment and composites hardware. We've grown to over 400 employees now, and we are partnering globally with other repair facilities to ensure we can support all of our customers with their repair needs. So the site is going through a significant period of growth. In the last 2 years, we'll have grown 65% in terms of volume, have added over 100 employees, and continue to invest on the order of $2 to $3 million a year in new technology. In addition to organic growth here locally, we are partnering with several suppliers in our region here in Central Europe to make sure that we can support our customer base, both for our internal overhaul shops as well as our external customers. This is done through technical partnership as well as investment partnership with different companies here in Hungary and beyond in order for us to do that.
So in 2018, we grew by 13% in terms of employee population, and this year, in the first half, we also grew an additional 15%. So a huge growth in terms ahead of us, as in the component repair Veresegyház site. We are mainly hiring machinists, technicians, welders, and operators to different fields, as well as frontline leaders for the production area. This is something which we really have a huge focus on. We also have a great relationship and cooperation with the local universities, where we are hiring cooperative students who are working on great projects for us. Diversity is really key for us. We are very proud that we hired the first female welder to our operation just recently, and we also hired operators as well as frontline leaders, female frontline leaders to the production area. This is really great and adding a tremendous value to our operations, and we are continue that hiring because we believe that diversity, different backgrounds, different qualifications and different gender, it's really helping our production and our further success.
We are in the composite area where we repair composite acoustical panels, blades and small parts of the engine. We repair the piece part of the acoustical panels and also the leading edges of the blades. We receive those parts from around the world. We have around 150 customers around the globe, and we are repairing those hardware from 18 days to 35 days. It means that we can reach the engine on time. Our engine overhaul shop cycle time is 75 days maximum. We work here in 3 shifts from 6 a.m. to next morning 6 a.m. in 8 hours shifts, and within this area we are working around 150 people in this site.
The biggest value of ours is the quality, and we are center of excellence of the honeycomb rings. So above the fan components, we are repairing the honeycomb segments, the pipes, the spinner cones. We are providing to our customers the on-time and the big quality of parts after repairing.
As an engineer, my role is to create and maintain the task list for product lines. Also, I'm participating and managing the projects for continuous improvements or cost reduction. Related to these activities, we are in a close connection with our colleagues in EDC in Poland and Bangalore. These are mainly related to new repair industrialization or new part industrialization. For example, LEAP products are coming to our shop, and also we are still implementing a lot of GNX product lines. GE Aviation Hungary is in a close connection with Szent István University, located in Gödöllő, related to Cooperative education program. GE Aviation is hiring a lot of students just before their final exam for half a year or 1 year or more, even more. And mainly the students can use their knowledge they have learned in the university, also try their language skills in real situations, experience global programs, working on technical related issues with a multicultural team, and even design new fixtures, new machines, or just take their part in a new repair or new technology implementation at our shop.
1.5 years ago, GE Aviation Hungary organized an open day for university students, and I attended. I'm a mechanical engineer student at Szent István University, and more than 1 year ago, I have started to work here as an intern in the operation team. From the very beginning and from my very first day, my co-workers are really supportive and easy to approach, and the company as a whole is created through open door policy as well. In addition, the leaders always assign me tasks that are suitable for my talent and my individuality. And if you want to develop your skills further or step up on higher level, you will have the opportunity in this environment. In my opinion, there are several options for an entry-level engineer or an intern to join GE Aviation Hungary. You can join the engineering or operation team or quality team as well. And I hope we can agree with my leaders and I can get the perfect role for my expectations and talent after graduating.